For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. A historic war saga and the impact of the events that unfolded during the Indo-Chinese War of 1962, a brother's search and a cross-border love story. How much more poignant could it get? Yes, we are talking about Salman Khan's Tube Light, a film where he has collaborated with ace filmmaker Kabir Khan for the third time. As always, the actor-director duo have worked wonders and the teaser, which was launched yesterday, is a hit already. But wait a minute, didn't we just spot Shah Rukh Khan in person in the teaser? Yes, we did. Well, for those who almost missed it, here we go. Just open the teaser and forward it by 43 seconds and voila! What do you see? A fire-spitting magician. Eureka! You just realized it's SRK. Well, we can't blame your reaction cause it was the same the first time for us as well. Apparently, Shah Rukh plays a cameo role of a magician who has a profound impact on the life of Lakshman aka Tube Light, and it will be interesting to know how his role transforms the narrative. Meanwhile, do share your comments on spotting SRK in the teaser and keep watching this space for more updates. Kabir Khan and Salman Khan seem to be a happy lot. Just yesterday, they had launched the official teaser of Tube Light, and since then, the web has been taken by surprise. The teaser has received rave reviews and garnered 5 million views online. This historic war saga, which narrates the story of Salman hunting for his lost brother and finding the love of his life in the process, the presence of the cute cherubic Matindre Tangu, Zuzu looking every bit in her element, and of course Salman Khan spreading happiness and showcasing myriad emotions make for a must-watch. The teaser does what it is meant to do and has set a high benchmark for the film. So have you seen the teaser yet? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Chinese actress Zuzu makes her debut in Kabir Khan's Tube Light, where she plays the love interest of Salman Khan. While the two do make a wonderful pair, we have laid our hands on some unseen pictures of the Chinese star, and my, the diva looks drop-dead gorgeous. Zuzu shares an amazing chemistry with Salman, and having returned to China, she has carried with her fond memories of her first experience in B-Town and of course her tryst with Dabangg Khan Salman. The two have kept in touch, and we hope that Zuzu comes to India for the promotion of her film. But till then, we have these awesome and glamorous pictures of the fashionista who seems to be unaware of her sensuality. So what do you think of these amazing pictures? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Finally, it's too good to be true. The teaser of Tube Light is out, and it has left fans desperate and counting for the release date. We had all heard about the chemistry between Salman and his leading lady Zuzu, but the Chinese actress seems to have done her best and looks amazing with the Khan. Salman's simpleton looks, the amazing locals of Manali and Ladakh, and of course the glimpses of the war. The teaser does what it is meant to, tease the fans to no end, and wow, what an amazing piece of work. Kabir Khan's project, based on a cross-border love story in the backdrop of the Indo-Chinese War of 1962, showcases Salman as a simpleton and a slow learner who is constantly teased with the name Tube Light. After macho roles, Salman has surpassed and surprised us with his Tube Light role. Take a look at the teaser and post your comments about it in the section below.
केबल आने देना। फ्रेम में आएगा। अच्छा फ्रेम में आएगा। अरे नहीं। अरे उनको पीछे लाना तो ना बैठो। हाँ। एक मिनट आराम से दिखाई नहीं करना। थोड़ा पीछे आइए ना। थोड़ा वरुण पीछे आना। पहले जानो फोटो लेना। एक मिनट खोया फोटो करना है यार। एक सेकंड आप तो 1 मिनट रुक जाओ फोटो निकालना सामने मुंडी नीचे। अरे माइक ऊपर। एक्सक्यूज मी 1 सेकंड पीछे आ जाइए ना।
Bahubali 2 is on a record-breaking spree and the acting acumen of the entire team is commendable. But we wonder if these stalwarts have ever done a Hindi movie. Well, with this thought in mind, we delve deep into their lives to unearth this interesting information. Prabhas, the star who made a majestic persona in Amarendra Bahubali's role, was seen in Ajay Devgan's action Jackson. Coming to Nasir, the vile and wicked Bijjalal Deva is a veteran B-town actor as well who has made his mark with Ramayya Vastavaya, Kabali, Rowdy Rathod and other films. The loyal Katappa, essayed by Satyaraj, has played the Don in the SRK Deepika starrer Chennai Express. The formidable Queen Mother Shivakami, played by Ramya Krishnan, may not have done any roles in B-Town in the recent past, but she was a hit in the 90s with roles from creamy films like Dayavan, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, Khalnayak and others. The coward transformed to Braveheart Kumar Verma, played by Subbaraju, was seen in Buddha Hoga Tera Baap. Now coming to the handsome antagonist Bhallal Deva, played by Rana Daggubati, the star has done some amazing roles in Ye Jawani Hai Deewani and not to forget the Ghazi Attack apart from other ventures. Tamanna Bhatia, who played Avantika, has worked in entertainment, Himmatwala and other films. But surprisingly, Devasena Akka Anushka Shetty is yet to make her Bollywood debut, but we are sure that going by her talent shown, projects will soon come to her kitty. Don't you think so? Let us know what you think about it by commenting in the section below. Just when we believed that the hue and cry following Sonu Nigam's Azan tweet had died down, actor Irfan Khan has raised some critical questions which will make one sit up and think. The Lunchbox star quipped, "We will have to first think that are we as a society really so sensitive when it comes to sound? Are we sensitive about sound in other places? When there is a noisy discotheque near a hospital, do we talk about it then? If somebody has a problem with something, then we should tackle all other problems related to the whole matter." Furthermore, Irfan also posed a question stating, "First of all, we will have to figure out what is the actual factor that is causing a certain person so much stress related to the sound of a loudspeaker. And then also figure out if they have a problem with loudspeakers used for azan or elsewhere too." Wow, quite valid and thought-provoking. Don't you think so? We wonder what Sonu has to say about this. Do post your comments if these questions have driven home a point. Kamal R. Khan's caustic words have made him a Killian of sorts in the film industry, and not many like to befriend him. A self-proclaimed critic, Kamal is known to lash out at anyone without any reason. The latest butt of his comments were the Bahubali stars Prabhas and Rana Daggubati. Banking on the Bahubali wave, Kamal tried to gain some cheap publicity by tweeting, "I never followed this idiot, neither tweeted about him till date. Till he blocked me to prove that he is brainless." That's not all. Kamal also went on to call the two talented actors Lukhas. Well, now this is something really ridiculous, and we wonder how the two would react on this. Meanwhile, do let us know your take on these tweets by commenting in the section below. Salman Khan is rumored to be launching veteran television actress of Nagin fame Moni Roy in Bollywood. Well, we are not surprised, for Salman is popular for launching so many actresses like Sonakshi Sinha, Jacqueline Fernandez, Daisy Shah and so many more. Well, Moni and Salman began interacting on the Bigg Boss reality show when she had paid visit on the show many times. In fact, they also did an act together and speculations are rife since then. On the personal front, Salman is busy with the upcoming release of Tube Light, his Eid gift to fans. Then he would be releasing Tiger Zinda Hai in December. Well, for those who have come in late, this is indeed good news, and the other fact that Salman would be getting ready with the sequel to Dabangg also gives enough reason for fans to wait. Do let us know what you feel about Salman launching an actress like Moni Roy in Bollywood.
फाइनली मतलब रवीना जी ने कह दिया कि वो प्रोड्यूसर बनेंगे उन्होंने कह दिया कि अगर मूवी बनेगी तो प्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए
और ए फिल्म्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा। जैसे कि मैंने कहा बाहुबली का थर्ड है ये, बाहुबली 3 ऐसे बनेगी एक महिला के साथ। आई थिंक बहुत ही स्पेशल है क्योंकि आमिश की फ़ैन रह चुकी हूँ। इनकी जो लिखी हुई किताबें हैं मेरे कलेक्शन में ज़रूर हैं और मैं इनकी बुक्स पढ़ती हूँ। और जैसे कि मैंने शुरुआत की और मैंने कहा मैं बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ और मैं समझती हूँ कि जिस तरीके से इन्होंने अपने बुक्स पेश किए हैं हमारी इंडियन जनता को एक काइंड ऑफ रेवोल्यूशनरी जैसे कहेंगे कि जैसे मैं लोगों को कहती हूँ कि पहले तो हम सिर्फ ऐसी किताबें पढ़ते थे मोस्टली जो इंडियन ऑथर्स नहीं इतने फेमस होते थे, लेकिन आमिश ने वो पूरा चेंज कर लिया है वो नोशन। एंड आज इनकी किताबें इतनी वाइडली पढ़ी जाती हैं। उसके अलावा इन्होंने जो हमारी हिस्ट्री थी, जो हमारा एंशिएंट पीरियड था, जिससे हम कहीं ना कहीं डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहे थे, कहीं ना कहीं जो आज भी आप अगर काफ़ी टेक्स्ट बुक्स पढ़ेंगे तो जो ब्रिटिशर्स ने हमारे लिए हिस्ट्री लिख के गए थे वही हम पढ़ रहे हैं और वही हम सीख रहे हैं। लेकिन जिस तरीके से इन्होंने पूरा हमारा पास जो हमारी हिस्ट्री रह चुकी है, जो हमारा एंशिएंट कल्चर हेरिटेज रह चुका है, जिस तरीके से इन्होंने पेश किया, आई थिंक मुझे ये कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हिंदुस्तान ने कैसे इनको एक्सेप्ट किया है और कितनी इनकी बुक्स पूरे हिंदुस्तान में एक जैसे आग जैसे फैला देती हैं इनकी बुक्स, उस तरीके से उनकी बुक्स बिकती हैं। सो आई एम वेरी ऑनर्ड टुडे कि आज इन्होंने एक ऐसी किताब लिखी है सीता, जहाँ आप जैसे खुद आमिश के लफ्ज़ों ने इन्होंने कहा कि सीता एक ऐसी कहानी है जो कहीं ना कहीं दब गई थी, छुप गई थी। ज़्यादातर रामायण में जब होलिस्टिकली बात करते हैं तो सिर्फ वही एक कहानी चलती आ रही है, लेकिन हर एक इंडिविजुअल की कहानी क्या थी और वो कैसे बने और उनके ऊपर क्या गुजरी, वो एक एक को उभर के ला रहे हैं। आई एम सो प्राउड कि आज इन्होंने सीता के ऊपर लिखा।
The countdown is finally coming to an end, and it's just one more day to go before the teaser of Salman Khan's Tube Light is launched. Since the last couple of days, the makers have kept the audience on hook by sharing a new still from the film every day, and my, it covers a lot of aspects. While we were expecting today's poster to feature Zuzu, the makers had another plan altogether. The newest poster has Salman Khan waving away from a crowd. Salman shared this poster on social media with the caption, "Hai hai, bas only one day to go. Tube Light teaser tomorrow." Well, having seen Salman, Sohail, Mateen Ray Tangu in the posters, we are now eager to see how these characters change the date of the film. So how excited are you about the teaser launch? Let us know by commenting in the section below. All Sunny Deol fans were eagerly waiting for the release of his upcoming film Bhaiyaji Super Hit, where he would be sharing screen space with Preity Zinta and Amisha Patel. As per a reliable source, Sunny shared good rapport with Salman, so he is not really keen to release his film on the same day. He has apparently spoken to the producers also about it and has told them that it is not a good idea to release the film with Salman. However, they are not really convinced as their film has already been delayed a lot. They have had discussions about it with the rest of the team and are yet to arrive on a final conclusion on whether to stick to the actual release date or change it. While we are sure that Sunny does have his own set of fans, it's only natural to worry when the box office war is with the Sultan. Don't you think so? Let us know your take on this by commenting in the section below.